Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking in Essentials, back up the Fjordur map and active mods, then open the ARK dev kit. You'll import a simple placeholder mesh to align coordinates because accurate origin and scale prevent later warping. Once done, export a test FBX at 1:1 scale and check normals. This ensures lighting and collision behave. Make sure to enable smoothing groups and apply transforms, and then you're ready to move into detailed mesh creation and UV layout. You now build the main mesh in Blender or Z-Modeler, keeping topology clean and edge flow logical so deformation and light bake cleanly. Once modeled, unwrap UVs with consistent texel density. Prioritize a 4K texture for large cave segments and 2K for props. After texturing, generate 3 LOD levels to reduce draw calls. Export each LOD and separate collision meshes as primitive shapes. Make sure to test back and forth with DevKit to catch seams and performance issues early. You import the FBX into the ARK dev kit, assign materials and hook textures to the correct channels. Then you configure collision responses so creatures and players interact properly. Place the mesh into the Fjordur map segment, bake lighting, and run in-game tests to verify spawn points, occlusion, and performance. If something goes wrong, like dark patches or clipping, check normals, duplicated vertices, UV overlaps, and uniform scale. Re-export corrected FBX and re-import, then rebake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.